sabay-sabay natin tingnan, i-unbox ang box. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started! Hi guys, it's Carisha! Welcome to another unboxing video! So today, i-unbox natin ang Canon M50 Mark II. Yes, the version 2 of the Canon M50. Alright guys, so it's time to open this medium box. Okay, so tingnan natin kung legit ba or baka naman baso ang laman. Okay, so here it is. Ayan, it says Canon M50 Mark II. It's actually available na sa Canon store. Pero limited pa lang siya since bagong-bago lang talaga to. As in, release lang to, I think, noong October 2020. And right now, medyo hindi pa siya na available sa mga store. Very limited pa lang iba for pre-order. So, yeah. This is it. I got this in Shopee. So, marami nito nagtitinda sa Shopee. So, if you search it, ayan, and I will link it down in the description. Doon ko siya binili. So, if you guys want to try also, ayan. Okay, the bubble wrap is okay naman. Ayan. So, binuksan ko lang talaga tong box kanina just to check if ito ba talaga yung laman. So, pero wala pa akong idea kung ito ba talaga. Because I doubt, since I paid for it already, it cost me for like 36,000 pesos. Ayan, 36,000 with, meron na siyang kasamang kit lens. So, kit lens is EF M50 to 45 ISSTM kit. So, it's a kit lens, usually 15 to 45 millimeters lang naman ang mga kit lens. Just like what I'm using. Oh, yung ginagamit ko pala sa aking Canon 600D is 18 to 55 millimeters. So, yung kit lens. So, I've been using that camera, yung ginagamit ko ngayon, for like maybe 7 years. So, ngayon lang ulit ako bumili ng camera. And I've been eyeing for the Eos M50 dati pa. So, siguro pa nga year 2020 I was planning to buy it. But then, yeah. So, many things happened. So, ngayon, naisip ko, what if bumili ulit ako ng M50, but then, nakita ko na meron na palang bago. So, I searched it online. And, yep, this is it. So, okay, let's try na. Ang dami pang chika. Okay. Oh my God! They gave me a free SD card! Ang galing! Oh my gosh, thank you so much! So, and of course, we have the manual that we're not gonna read it because who reads the manual anyway? And then, ano to? Free? May free na ano. Anyways, let's put it there. And, okay, so this is it, guys. Wow, legit siya. Oo, legit. But, yun nga pala guys, I forgot to tell you na this is the white version. Yes. So, this is the strap. And, actually, pinag-isipan ko, sabi ko, black na lang kaya. Para, di ba, it's easy to maintain black. But then, sige, white na lang para maiba naman. So, para, try lang natin sa maiba lang. So, this is the charger. Yung adapter pala. Adapter. Yung saksakan ng charger. So, ayan. Since ay mabansa nga siya. Mainly in Hong Kong. This is a Hong Kong version. So, the battery. I got one battery. Hindi na ako nag-order ng extra. And then, here's the charger. Okay, the charger is, ayan. Yung ganyan lang. Isasaksak mo lang siya. Siyempre, charge na siya. And, so this is the lens. So, yung lens niya ay silver. Okay, so, tingnan muna natin yung body. So, this is the body. Ayan, white and gray. Ang ganda ng combination niya. So, this one is made in Japan pala. And then, ang kagandahan nito is para siyang DSLR. Where you can actually flip it like that. Unlike yung ibang mga, they call this the power shot. This one kasi may viewfinder. Yan, isang gusto ko dito is para siyang maliit na DSLR or the mirrorless DSLR. Yun nga lang, ang downside ng yung mga viewfinder ay medyo bulky siyang tingnan. Ang cute, kaya lang it feels parang medyo plastic yung itsura nito or yung like yung pindutan. This one, and metal siya. So this is the lens. Wow! Sealed and kept. Wow! Okay. What I love about the lens of the white one is it's silver. O, diba? Sana all! Again, happy Valentine's to all of you out there. Medyo man o wala, okay lang yan. Mahal niyo na lang ang sarili ninyo at ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Bye-bye! Hindi ko pa lang siguro masyadong na-experience settings ito since sobrang bago talaga to sa akin. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng mirrorless camera for the very long time. So since yung huli ko pang ginagamit ay 7 years na sa akin, the 600D, but still good. Good enough to take photos. Good enough. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng white. Ano na ako masabi? This is just a very first impression review lang. Hindi pa ako makakapagbigay ng mga review regarding dito, yung quality niya. So, maybe the next video, I will post a lengthy video about the quality and all. Ooh, okay, may lock pala yung kanyang ano. May lock. May lock pala to. Okay. So, maybe I'm gonna use this din sa pag-stream ko. Try natin to sa stream. So, abangan ninyo. And yep, just follow me on my Facebook page, Carisha's Game Room, and on my YouTube channel, KS Beauty. So there. See you guys next time. Bye!